Hey, it's Rich Tehrani. Thanks for watching. We're here at the ITEXPO Tech Super Show. It's our 25th anniversary. We're in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. It's the 41st event, and it's February 2024. Tonny Siemons is with us. He is with Enreach. How are you, Tonny?
Thank you, Richard. I'm good. Just arrived from Europe, so a bit jet-lagged, but enjoying the atmosphere at the conference.
Fantastic. Thanks for being here. Where did you come in from?
I came from Amsterdam.
Oh, great, great.
Yeah, thank you.
So, Enreach, tell us a little bit about what you guys do.
As Enreach, we are a European player in the UCaaS world. So we are based currently in 12 countries. We have our own telephony system. We also do mobile, fixed telephony, broadband. And because of acquisitions the last few years, we have a quite broad portfolio of, let's say, all kind of UCaaS, call center systems, AI kind of solutions. So we have, let's say, a full portfolio on, we call it contact magic. So trying to help customers getting the maximum out of contact.
Fantastic. And so what do you attribute your success in Europe? I mean, I know you're located there, but what are you doing that's making you so successful there?
Yeah, I think two reasons. The last few years we created a broad portfolio so we could actually fill in all customer needs. That's one thing we did. And secondly of all, I think we were also quite successful because I think if you look at our customers, we have a big partner network also. So we have around 3,000 MSPs in Europe who are actually reselling our products. So that means we can be really quick, scalable, and expand in Europe through this partner network. So.
Great. What trends have you seen?
Yeah, in the UCaaS industry, I see a lot of different trends. I see trends, people moving from, let's say, light call center, so from a normal telephony system to more, a little bit more functionalities to add more value to their customers. Yeah, plus I see a lot of trends of people, because of COVID, went into collaboration software like Teams and Zoom, and I see now a lot of people also want to use this system for telephony, and that's, I think, something which is currently happening. Putting on top of that AI, you see a lot of productivity actually expanding, and in the past you had all these different kind of things in the industry. You had a telephony system, you had your productivity tools, and now it's all getting a little bit together, I think.
And you own your own network. I'm curious, does that give you some advantages in the market?
Yeah, that's an interesting question because if you look at mobile phone telephony, for example, you have the radio and you have the intelligence of the network. We don't own the radio, we own the network. And so we are, let's say, in between, because if you also own the radio, you're not so quickly scalable. We only own an intelligent part of the network. That means that we can really quickly expand in different kind of European countries, because compared to the US, Europe has, in every country of course, is different regulations and is different kind of markets. So at the same time we are a European player with the intelligent part of our network we're owning, and the radio part not. So we are a bit flexible compared to, let's say, the big broadline telcos.
And I've noticed, even though you're a European company, you've got some strong relationships, partnerships here in the US, right?
Yeah, definitely. One of the partnerships is, of course, Microsoft, which is a US-based company, of course, and we're working together with a few American companies. And we have some service providers, not only in Europe, so also in other countries in the world, which are using our telephony system, let's say, white-labeled. So we are mainly based in Europe, but we also have customers in Australia and that kind of stuff. So, yeah.
And in terms of AI, how is that affecting your business?
I think every industry we're still trying to find out what it will mean for our industry. If you look at our customer base, we're quite big in the SMB segment. And what I see in the SMB segment is that a lot of companies are interested in AI, but the willingness to really invest in that, I don't really see yet. So what we are trying to do on AI part, through our partner network also, we're trying to deliver the AI services on contact through, let's say, a recurrent model without actually the customers paying for an upfront investment. So we're trying to lower the level to start using AI. And yeah, we're quite big in what we are good at. That's conversational AI. So trying to make a normal human conversation and actually let AI help this conversation to actually simplify and maybe take some let's say, standard routine work away from call center employees.
Fantastic. What are your future plans for expansion, etc.?
First of all, our strategy is to become a European player in every European country. We're currently based in around 12 countries, so we still want to expand in other different countries. So that's one thing. We also want to broaden our portfolio, of course, to create more added value to our customers. And of course expand our partner channel, so with more partners who want to deliver our solutions to customers.
Fantastic. Thanks for being here.
Thank you, Richard.